Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoyed vacation too. Welcome back to science class. Today I am going to start new lesson chapter 8 body movements. So let's start. Look closely to the picture. Here some body movements are given. Sit down, then knee down, run, crawl, then sit, climb, jump, lay down, throw, stand, learn, bow. Many movements are there. So have you observed the movement taking place in your body? You must be blinking your eyes time to time. This is also a movement. Now one more movement. Observe the one more movement. Very unevitable movement, that is breathing. Breathe. So there are so many movements that happen in our body. When you are writing something, which part of your body move? When you turn your neck, when you turn and look beside you, which body part move? So different parts of your body move while you remain at the same place. When you sit at the same place, but different body part move. In this example, for example, at one place only you are sitting and writing something. So you are remain at one place only, but your one of the body part move. Now you also move from one place to another. That also you know. When you go somewhere, when you go to school, when you go to home, when you go to bazaar, when you go to your teacher or your parents, it means you can move from one place to another. And also you walk, you run, you skip, you jump, you move place to place. These all are a movement. See, so how the animals move from one place to another? You know that by you walk, you run, you skip, you jump and move from one place to another. But different animal move from one place to another with different ways. Like here one duck is given, kangaroo, that snake, horse, snail, human being, fish, cockroach, these all animals. You know that all animals move from one place to another in different ways. So let us see. See here, table is given, animal is given cow. Body part used for moving. Which body part cow use for moving? You know legs. Cow use their legs for moving. And how does the animal move? How does the cow move? Walk. Cow walk and move. Then animals. Human beings. Human beings also use their legs for moving. And how does the human being move? How does the animal move from one place to another? Walking. Their movement is called walk. Now snake. Snake use their whole body for moving. You know, and this movement is called that how does the animal move? Animal move slither. How does snake move? By slither. Then birds. Birds also use their wings for moving. And that movement is called fly. Birds fly for going one place to another. Then insects use legs and their whole body for moving. When they use their legs, they crawl on the ground. And when they use their whole body, they slither. Fish also use their whole body. And that movement is called swim. See, I made the animals to way they move. I hope you can match this also. See here what is given. First is rat. This one rat. then snake, snake, slither. After that, ant, ant, crawl on the ground. Fish, swim. Bird, fly. And small puppy, hop. So this way animals move from one place to another. Now about human being, how human body and its movement. Now we'll see that human body and its movements. Look closely to the picture and look closely some of your own movement. Some before looking all this variety of the movement in animals, first look closely at some of your own movement. Sometimes you do physical exercise, then while physical exercise, how do you move your hands and legs? You do different types of exercise, no? So while different types of exercise, how do you move your hands and legs? So try some of the many movement our body is capable of. See, here also some movements are given. Here also some body movement, when you bend your knees, when you bend your hand from see that. So this is all how do you move your arm, how do you rotate your shoulder in circular movement. These all are that movement only. See, body parts here. You bend your arms at the elbow and legs at the knee. Stretch your sideways, bend your arm and touch your shoulders with your fingers. This, how do you bend? Now straighten your arm. So this are now body part, neck. Can you rotate it completely? No, you cannot rotate it completely, but partly you can rotate, or you turn this. You bend your neck, yes, downward, upward, like that. You lift also. Now wrist, you cannot rotate your wrist completely, but partly you can rotate. You cannot bend it, but you can lift it. Fingers also you cannot rotate completely, but partly you can rotate and you can lift also. Knee also you cannot rotate completely. You can rotate partly it. You can lift it. When you bend it, again you can unfold it. Ankle also that same. You cannot rotate it completely, but you can rotate it partly and lifts it. Toe also that same. You rotate it partly and lift it. Now your back. When you bend down, when you bend up, but you cannot rotate it. You can partly rotate while doing exercise and all. You can bend also when you bend down and all. And you can lift up also. Head also you cannot rotate it completely, but partly you can easily rotate and you can lift up also. Elbow. When you fold your hand from elbow, you can easily lift it and rotate partly also. That arm, it means from your shoulder you can rotate it completely in all direction. So there is no need to rotate partly, because you can completely rotate it. But so these all are movements. So movements in our body. So this way try to move the various parts of your body and record their movement. So why is it that we are able to move a few parts of our body easily in various directions and some only in one direction? You observe that. So some part of our body we can move in all direction and some part of our body only in one direction. Why we are unable to move some part at all? This all we'll learn in next videos. See here one activity I am doing. What is there? Look closely to the picture. Now place a scale lengthwise on your arm so that your elbow is in the center, like that only. Take one scale, it is the equal length of your arm. Now ask your friend or some to tie the scale and on your arm like that in picture given. Now what happened after tying that? Try the bend your elbow. Are you able to bend? No, you will not able to bend it. So did you notice that we are able to bend or rotate our body in places where two parts of our body seems to be joined together, like elbow, shoulder or neck, and these places are called joints. When you tied a scale on your hand, what will happen? You cannot bend it. But without scale, you can easily bend from your elbow only. It means you have in your body some part is there, from there only you can bend your body part. So have you noticed that we are able to bend or rotate our body in places where two parts of our body seems to be joined together? Elbow, shoulder, neck, many parts are there like knee, your toe, fingers. These all parts have some, it means where two bones are joined together, and these places are called joints. So what is joint exactly together at this joint? This everything we'll learn in next part. Till then, go through the video twice for better understanding. We'll meet you soon. Thank you.